Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today we are going to crush bunch of stuff with hydraulic press.
We have this magnificent collection.
We have new tools, really shiny, dangerous looking tools, and some really creative stuff coming, so let's start. Okay, first experiment. We are going to continue at the video that we did a couple of weeks ago. How strong is the thread locker on steel cylinders? And last time we had a really tight fit on between the glued parts. But now I have prepared one like medium and one really loose connection. And let's see how strong they are. This has 0.1 millimeter gap in diameter, and this has 0.2 millimeter gap in diameter. Tight one was 5.5 tons. I'm going to say that this is exactly the same, and this is only 3. Okay, let's see how bad is this case.
Is this bad? Pumps. Oh,
That was 8 tons.
8.2.
And it was interesting. It held even when it's like came loose already. That's really interesting and weird. I didn't expect that. Let's see what happens when we double the gap fit. Is it still as strong as the tighter fit?
Well, that didn't work at all.
Yeah, that's not good. Okay, that's quite clear. It was only 2 tons, so the gap was too wide. And as we can see, all the glue hasn't even hardened, even if they have been recommended time hardening there. So too much is too much. Okay, next demonstration. I think we have done this once before, but not with the force sensor. We are going to find out what happens if you crush your own hands or other body parts. And since I'm not going to be willing to crush my own hand, we are going to use stunt meat.
We have this stunt meat always in our freezer.
Yeah,
It says don't eat, it's press food.
Yeah, and this is way more stronger than your hand. I think this is pork ribs. So the bones are the same size as my fingers. So probably like stuff here is about as strong as this. Let's see how much force it's going to take to completely fuck this up. That's technical term. Okay, here it goes.
Ew.
Okay, couple 100 kilos. Not bad.
Oh dear, oh no. Ugh.
I can hear the bones crack.
I can't.
Okay, that's 10 tons. And your bones are flat, and the meat is flat. Everything is flat. But it's still kind of there. Let's put like 100 tons. Does it make any difference?
Okay. There is also some meat juice.
I would say that with 100 tons, it's still flat, but now it's also dry. I'm not sure does it make any difference, but it's gone. It's gone. Don't put your hand there.
Yeah, I think that this one of the most disgusting thing we have ever made.
Okay, time to bring out the impaler. Was 20 trillion, something like that. And first thing is salt rock.
Yay.
This should be relatively easy, but you never
it's
know.
just going to split in two.
Yeah, weak ass rock. Then we try piece of tree that I murdered with chainsaw. Okay, I think the spike is actually meant to do this, so.
Yeah, let's hope it makes a lot of firewood. No. Then we have this real rock. Let's try if we can impale it with 300-ton press.
And this is a Finnish rock, not some weak ass salt
Yeah,
rock.
it's granite. Uh-oh! Oh no!
We have like, what is the technical term when it doesn't stay like, pressures of performing under the cameras. It's not easy.
It's
This is
bomb.
piece of bomb plastic.
P-O.
This is the plastic that tried to kill our camera and quite successfully did it also.
Yeah.
I have really bad feeling about this. Let's crush it like just a tip, not too much.
Okay.
I'm not going to overdo it.
It hit the window. Okay, I have never done this before, but we are going to crush this candy, push it through all these holes.
And this is magnificent innovation because these are from IKEA and cost like €2. So we can just throw them away and no need to clean them.
Oh,
It
yeah.
costs more to fill this than this. I also have bad expectation that this is going to rip open. Now we can do what the Doom guy does. Rip and tear until it's done. Okay, now we have to just hope that it goes in. Ooh, it's going to work.
Really? Oh, didn't work. Today we are going to find out if we can push bananas through these holes with hydraulic press.
Do you know, Anna, what?
No.
Do you know what you sound like when you are with the excited short form video? Energy and you say banana.
Well, you are a minion.
Yeah, you
I'm a banana.
yeah, you are exactly like Minion.
I'm lack of my overalls. I would need my overalls. Then I would look just like Minion.
Okay, here it goes. Ooh!
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Yeah, that was more eventful.
Yeah, oh no, it's terrible mess.
Okay, I wanna try again old trick of hiding a GoPro inside of steel pipe and then crushing the pipe. But now the problem is the fact that if we start to crush it and it starts to crumble from here, then the GoPro is going to be fucked. So I'm going to heat up the top part. So then that's weaker and it's going to start from here.
Okay.
That's my old trick. This works amazingly well. It doesn't need to be much hotter than the bottom. Even like smallest difference is going to make it start from the top. In it goes, and let's hope for the best that the GoPro survives. Okay, please start from the top.
Oh.
Didn't work. Huh.
Oops.
Oh, it's going to... I think that's enough. It's going to fly here. But it looks probably nice.
If we can see anything.
Yeah, I think... Yeah, you know better than we. This is stainless, so it's not rusted. So let's try with that. It's a bit shorter, but I think it's still interesting. Especially with the hole. Okay, then we are going to try old classic, folding paper more than 7 times. But now with toilet paper, because this is the only paper that doesn't explode like regular paper. So can you fold it over 7 times? I'm not going to go like crazy. I'm going to take like this. It's folded once. Now it's folded twice. It's folded 3 times. 4, 5, 6. Now it's time to bring out the press. Okay, this looks familiar. It's not going to work. I'm pretty sure about that. It didn't explode. It's really thin. It's also really hot.
Will it? Oh! It's cracking.
Yeah, it's like cracking. I think this doesn't count. The physics break when you try to fool them with this kind of trickery. So no, you can't fold even toilet paper. Okay, good idea from camera guy. How about if we just take like a shitload of shit paper?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, one fold. We might be able to cheat like this. 2, 3. It just escalates so quickly. 4, 5, 6, 7. I think we are up to something here. Oh, I think I just slightly overdid it.
Yeah.
No, it's like this is 8-fold. Do you want to do it? It's 8-fold. It might result in black hole or something. After over 10 years of constant work and research, we have finally accomplished what we came here to do.
Yeah.
We can now
We can retire now.
We can now retire happily. We folded paper 8th time with hydraulic press. Let's see what happens if we try to go for the 9th. I think now it's again like glass. Just a minute, it's going to be 9. I think this is absolute maximum that we can do. 9 folds. I'm going to put this to my memory cabinet as a mark of clear victory over physics and matter. I think this is a great place to end this video.
Yeah.
We finally did it. But I can say to everybody who is worried, we are not going to retire yet.
No.
We have to find new meaning of life.
Yeah.
After we have folded paper 9 times.
Yeah, comment down below if you have anything in your mind.
What we should do with our meaningless life. Yeah, but that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
Have a nice day.